they were still in high school. The trio performed and recorded in the rockabilly, rock and roll, and rhythm and blues musical style from the late 1950s to mid-1960s, through landing several regional hits between 1959 and 1963 on both the TNT and Rena record label. Head is best known for the 1955 Blue Eye Soul international hit Treat Her Right, recorded by Roy Head and the Threads. After going solo, Head landed several hits on the country and western chart between 1975 and 1985. During his career of some 50 years, he performed in several different musical genres and recorded for an array of record labels. Roy Head and the Threads